Hi folks, and welcome back to Berrybrook. Oh look, I've got a four-seater. What a lovely colour this is. This is Mercedes Pearl Blue. Has the additional bumpers and those spotlights on the front. Look how shiny this car is. Look, you've got the lovely wire wheels there, nice and clean. I thought I'd do this video, this quick walk-around video with the roof up so you can see what the car looks like. There we go. So you do have that extra bit on the back, luggage rack, which I'll talk about in a little bit, with a spare tyre, so for convenience. But yes, you might not like the look of it with the hood up, but it is extremely practical, this little car. As we go around the sides then, look at it. It is in such good condition for a T-Reg. So inside, as I say, it's 4 seats. So there you have 2 rear seats, which can fold down, which means you get a flat 4 or a little bit of storage behind. So there, 4 seats. The luggage rack there, this is foldable, so you can actually fold it away or fold it out when you want to use it. Look at that. Again, it just keeps getting better and better, doesn't it? Okay, folks. Look at the sky. I think all you want to see is this car out driving, so let's go for a drive. One of the things that you have to remember every time you get in this car, seatbelts on the other side. Oh, that's a nice little sound. Offset steering wheel in this car as well. Oh, look at that sunny day. Well, folks, now that we go in, this is a 4-seater, a little 4-4. It's a very special little car, actually, this one. So thanks for joining me on this little drive along. It's not going to be very long. Just wanted to take the car out, something I like to do with all the cars that we get in, just to see what they're like to drive, because they're all different, especially this one. So this one is a 4-seater, as I've mentioned already. This is a T-Reg. Which means it's a 1999. And it's got, it's quite a nice little pedigree, this car. So you may have noticed in some of the videos, some of the video of this one, that there's a roll bar in there. It's got a little bit of a hill climb and sprinting pedigree in this car, which is kind of nice. You got limited slip diff, which is also very nice. Not very many have that. Sports exhaust, which you might be able to hear. But this car was a launch car for Morgan when they relaunched a 4-seater. So it's actually got quite a lot of paperwork with this one. It's features in the brochures for Morgan. All the magazines that they did when they relaunched this, which actually it does come supplied with copies of that as well. Oh, this is a sprightly little car, this. It may be in a car from 1999. It may look like it's from the 1950s, but I'll tell you what, actually, it drives fantastically. Especially when you drop it down. But not only does it look fantastic, it's practical. You've got 4 seats. Even if you don't want to use those 2 rear seats for people at the back, you can put extra luggage in there, which is always a complaint with a Morgan. But you may have noticed there's actually a fold-away luggage rack on it as well. So it keeps getting practical. Which I love, I think it's brilliant. Or you can put your furry friends in the back. I don't mean lions and tigers. Your Labrador or your Dachshund in my case. Woohoo! Or if you just want to have a little blast on your set with yourself, this is great. It really is. So you do have the extra safety of that roll cage back there, which obviously will help a little bit with rigidity as well. I don't know if you know, but this is on a +8 chassis. They did that because it's got slightly wider track all the way straight through, which is kind of nice. So the +4 would have had a slightly different feel to it. Little Z-Tech engine up the front there, 16 valve. It's about having fun. It's hard to have fun on roads nowadays. And this car definitely gives you a little bit of fun. I got my hat on today, so it's not cold. Nice thing, I got a windscreen. And we got a bit of sunshine, which makes a big difference. Makes everyone feel happy. Makes me feel happy anyway. Had to get my sunglasses out as well. Let's keep the neighbours happy. Excellent. So I did mention it's actually got an offset steering wheel, which actually gives you a little bit of space underneath the wheel. So for longer-legged peoples, or for someone who likes something to eat, then these are great because they give you that extra height. They do look a bit odd when you're turning them, but you've got the normal characteristics. You've got the dash there, the walnut dash, so it gives it that proper old school look, which is obviously really nice. They do get looked over, these four-seaters, which is a shame because they are still a Morgan at the end of the day. Oh, see, this is what it's about. Look at this. This is lovely. So if you do come down to see us, recommend popping in here. It's Powderham Castle. You might be able to see through the trees there. It's a great place to come and have a coffee while you're thinking about buying your Morgan. I'll say with the colour of this car, it looks brilliant with the sun on it. So I'm going around these corners and it's catching the different edges. I'm going to turn around and go back. Let's hear that exhaust again. Brilliant. So it's great because obviously it's we've got quite an enclosed space with these walls either side, so that really is bouncing off those walls. And because it's a Morgan, it's just that little bit thinner than most cars, which is nice. So it allows you to squeeze through little gaps like that as well. As always, folks, please like and subscribe. Really helps me, let me know what I'm doing right. If you're interested in this car or any of the other cars, please click on our website, email, phone me, or pop in and see me.